I was hanging up this carpet to get all the dust and the kind of sand out of it. It's been down in our dining room for a long time. But anyway, it's full of stuff. Tried everything. Tried hitting it, beating it. Tried it on a whim. Starting to have a bit of luck with this, so just check it out. Here's your blower. You want to cause enough vibration to shake the sand out of the carpet. There's some side benefits to this as well. The skin feels soft from the exfoliation happening because you're literally like a sandblaster in there. Okay, I'm going back.
I moved it because the first time you filmed it, you could see from here all the sand coming out of it, but you couldn't see it from over there.
Oh, really? Is there sand coming out?
The first time. Well, yeah, but they now there's not so much, so you must have got a good bit of it.